guys, Jen here from Raven Lou and Paper 2, sharing with you my first outgoing swap for 2025. Of course, my New Year's resolution for this year, the same as last year, is to try and share more social media content with you guys, especially here on YouTube. So here we go. Today's outgoing swap is for the Paper Pounders group on Facebook, and all we had to do was make these stacked bento boxes following a tutorial, and I will leave that video down below, that we were to follow, and to fill it with things that were themed Galentine's Day. And here is my completed stacked bento boxes. This is what it looks like from the front here. Over here on the side, I have alternated with the red and pink boxes. It's probably more of a fuchsia and pink boxes. And that's the back side, the other side. And then here on the front, I just wanted to decorate it a little bit, but these pieces are all just kind of paper clipped on so that they can be stored and so that the boxes are actually functional. We have the heart-shaped rosette here and this Happy Galentine's little title that I made using my Cricut. Alright, so at the top of these stacked bento boxes, they are put on with Velcro dots here. And let me go ahead and unstack all this, and I'll show you each box one at a time. Alright, here are all those boxes unstacked, and I'm going to start with the bottom of the stack and work my way back up to the top. And this, the bottom one was fuchsia, and each of them have Velcro dots on them so that you can open and close the box many times. This is a self-care box here at the bottom that I've decided to send. We have some Hershey's chocolate bars, some Dove beauty cream, a Hershey's chocolate face mask, and some Valentine's Day nail wraps. In the second to last box, it is one of the pink boxes. Once again, the Velcro dots there. And I have turned it into a mini embellishment box. Over here we have different erasers and flare pieces that are all Valentine's themed. I have different shaped and sized red beads there. Over here I have some of the like foam hearts that are like filler pieces. I have alternating some of these felt envelopes and a bunch of different foam stickers, all with the Valentine's Day themed. Then here I have clay mixes. We have some flowers. This is XOXO clay bits. Here are some red and white clay bits. And then this one is just the little Hobby Lobby clay bit mix. Alright, for the third box, this one is a sequin mix box, and each of these little heart containers contain different color sequins. Like the red has red, the pink has pink, etc. So there are 6 different sequin mixes in that box. Then at the second to the top box here, this is my different, I guess you would call them embellishments. I have some layered hearts. We have some different heart rosettes. And a few different types of little Valentine's Day themed bows in here. And they all match the pink and red Valentine theme I have going on. And then for the very top box, I have made a little dangle holder, well, it's just like a little dangle, but it's pom-poms that I made into the shape of a heart. So I just glued I made 3 different pom-poms and then glued them all together and kind of used my scissors to shape them into this little heart. I also have a little card in here. It says, "So happy I know you." And then I have a bunch of different paper piece things for her. We have words like Valentine and smooch, XO, kiss and love. Let's see. I also did some of these "You Make Me Smile" die cuts. Some tickets. Some little hands making a little heart. Little heart doilies. Then I also had this like really intricate heart die. And then in this little envelope here are all of my Valentine themed, oh my goodness, why can't I think of what I'm saying? Valentine themed stamps, and I die cut those stamps out as well, and I just put them in this little envelope so that I could gift them to my friend. And I have a few different little pillow boxes that are all Valentine themed in the bottom here too. That is everything I'm sending out for my first swap of 2025. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, comments, please let me know down below. And of course you can find me everywhere else on social media as Raven Lou and Paper 2. Thank you guys.